Good morning everyone. Today we are going to start question 4th of the exercise 4B. Okay, so in this question you have to solve the question one by one. You have to apply the steps. Okay, like yesterday we have discussed how we can apply the steps. If you are shifting any value from here to there, you have to apply transposing that value to the right hand side. Okay, you have to implement this step and then you have to go with the step. After that, if you are applying division, the dividing by suppose 2 on both sides. Okay, you have to mention the step and then you have to go with the question. Right? If you are multiplying, then mention multiplying suppose by minus 10. Suppose minus 10, okay, on both sides. Write down the step and then go with the step and take out your answer. When your answer will come, you have to check your question. You have to put the value of x in the question, okay, and say to it left hand side is equals to right hand side. If they are equal, then you can say that yes, this is a correct solution and hence we have verified the question. Okay, now I am going to start with the question. Be attentive. After one or two parts, I am going to unmute some students and I'll ask you that are you able to understand which steps we can implement and how we can solve the question. First part is 3x plus 3 is equals to 30. 3x plus 3 is equals to 30. Right? So first of all, we will apply which method? Quickly. I am reading your messages. Quickly. Like yesterday we have discussed. Same step you have to implement in the beginning. That is, yes, Prasan, very good. Kanika Lathar, 7th Florence, quickly give me the answer. Tanisha, good. Angel Goyle, very good. Gurveer, give me the answer quickly. Which method we can apply in the beginning? Saloni, absolutely wrong. In the beginning, you can't apply this method. Ayan, no. Vanshika, right. Path, right. Very good. Ayan, no. We have to apply, first of all, go with the constant. Which is the constant value in the question? That is 3. Okay, that is 3. So, you have to shift this constant value to the right hand side. Okay, so we have to apply Anshika, 7th Blossom. After few minutes, I'll unmute you. I'll ask some questions to you. Okay, so sit properly in the class. So you have to mention here transposing method. Transposing 3 on right hand side. Whenever you are going to transpose any value, please mention right hand side. Don't mention on both sides. When you are going to divide, when you are going to multiply, then you have to mention that we are going to divide or multiplying on both sides. Right? Disha Lathar. Sit properly in the class and rotate the camera. Disha Lathar. Check the adjustment of the camera. Transposing 3 on right hand side. So this will be 3x is equals to 30 minus 3. 3x is equals to 27. Okay, now what I'll do? What should I do? I have to multiply or I have to divide? I'm giving you hint. Division or multiplication? Angel, Prasan, very good. Yes. Paths, please tell me which method. Gurveer Kaur, no. Siddharth, Anirudh, yes. Give me answer. Disha Lathar, give me answer quickly. We can apply which method here? Nirja, very good. Saloni, right. Tanisha, right. Let me read. Harman, your answer is wrong. Disha, very good. Okay, so we can go with the division. Dividing by 3 both sides. When you are going to divide or multiply, then you have to mention here both sides. When you are transposing any value, then you have to mention the side, either to the left hand side or to the right hand side. Okay. Now 3x divided by 3 is equals to 27 by 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3, 3 nines are 27. So x is equals to how much? 9. X value is 9. Okay. Now you have to go with the check. Check means you have to verify your question. Okay, you have to verify your question. So check means you have to write this value here, this question here, 3x plus 3 is equals to 30. Put the value of x. X value that you have taken out. 3 multiplied by 9 plus 3 is equals to 30. Okay, this 30 will go side by side. Okay, as it is. 3 nines are 27 plus 3 is equals to 30. Left hand side is 30 is equals to 30. Both are equal. Both are same. So you can write that. Therefore, left hand side is equals to right hand side. And hence we have verified the question. And hence we have verified the question. Okay, this is known as checking part. Okay, you are testing the question. You are going to test the question that whatever the value you have taken out, is it satisfied the equation or not? Right? Harshit Lathar and Priyansh. I'm going to unmute. Okay, in the next part, I'll ask some of the questions. Any doubt in this first part? Please let me ask. Vanya, I did nothing. The steps we have discussed yesterday, same as it is we have discussed today. Okay? Let me repeat. Tanvi, 7th blossom. Sit properly. See, in this question, first of all, this is a constant value. You have to shift this constant value here. But before shifting, you have to mention the step. Which step you are going to apply. So transposing 3 on the right hand side. Okay, so 3x will be here, 3 will go that side. Answer will be 27. So 3x is 27. Okay, still answer is not solved fully. Okay, again we have to go with one more step. Now what we can do, I want in the left hand side only x. I want 3 should be removed. So how 3 will be cancelled? If I divide both sides by 3. If you are going to multiply or divide, you have to do on both sides, not on single side. Not on single side. I'm repeating again. If you are going to divide or multiply, okay, that you have to do on both sides. So divide by 3, divide by 3. It will cancel, only x will be left. And here 3 ones are 3, 9s are 27, x value is 9. So 9 x value has come. Now you have to check your question. Question is solve the question and check your question. Okay. So you have to write down the question here and then put the value of x, that is 9 from here. Okay, after writing the value, then you have to check it out. What is left hand side and what is right hand side coming. If both are coming same, that it means left hand side is equals to right hand side and hence we have verified the question. Any doubt? Adarsh Lathar. Any doubt is there? Yes, everyone. Abhilasha. It's clear. Who was asking? Vanya, it's clear now? Anirudh. What is the spelling of doubt? Anirudh. Okay. Now let's start with the next question. Next part, that is, I'm writing the statement here, then I'll ask you which step we have to implement in the question. Okay? Next part is 5x plus 10. 5x plus 10 is equals to minus 15. Is equals to minus 15. Angel Goyle and Geet 7th Blossom. Adjust the setting of the camera. Okay, now Javted Singh, sit properly in the class. Meenakshi ma'am, those whose videos are off, I'm telling you names. Kanika Lathar, Ishan, Anirudh, Disha Lathar, Keshav Kakkad, Keshri, Kunal Mandhan, Mehak, Natik, okay, Prathit, Sehaj, Tanish, Vedant, Yashita, Advik and Gurshabad. Please quickly ma'am remove these students from the class immediately. I don't want to give again and again warnings to these students.
Kaval ma'am, give last warning. I will see after 2 minutes. If they will not switch on, I will remove by myself only.
Yeah, no worries. Natik, fine. Today you have to see the setting of your webcam. By tomorrow I will not listen this excuse. Natik, right? Today ma'am, leave Natik. He's having some problem in the webcam. Okay. Rest of the students, within 2 minutes, ma'am will remove these names which I have called. If the cameras will be still off. Okay. Now I'm going to ask those who will not give any answer, that students I'll remove. Amrinder 7th Florence, quickly unmute yourself. A message has gone to you, quickly. Amrinder 7th Florence. Amrinder 7th Florence, unmute. Anirudh. And Amrinder. Just wait. Okay, I'll ask you one by one. Okay, Amrinder, first of all, you tell me that what is the constant value here on the left hand side? Which value is constant value? Amrinder, which is the constant value? 5. 5 is the constant value, Amrinder. 5 is not. This is x is written with the 5. That is the variable value. Okay, constant is that value which is the single value. Now please tell me which is the single value here on the left hand side? 10. 10 is the constant value. Okay, so what is my first step? If I start the question, what will be my first step? I have to shift constant value here to there. Okay, what should I write here? I have written in the previous question. Same I have to write here. Amrinder, please tell me quickly. Don't feel hesitate. Yeah. Transposing. Amrinder, it is transposing, right?
Yes.
Okay. So I have to transpose. I have to transpose what? Which value you have to transpose?
10.
Very good. Transpose 10. On which side?
Left.
Left is this. It is already named left. I have to transpose on the other side. That side is right hand side.
Right.
Okay. Alright. So if I'll transpose this 10 value here, 5x will be here. This minus 15 is here. Plus 10, when it will go to that side, it will become what?
Minus 10.
Very good. Please mute yourself now. Amrinder. Anirudh, just hold on. Okay. Now this will be 5x is equals to minus 15 minus 10. That is minus 25. Okay. Now Anirudh, please tell me what should I do? Now which step I have to apply? Anirudh?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Don't feel hesitate. If you will give wrong answer, doesn't matter. We are discussing in the class. I'm not taking any test. Okay, please tell me. I want only x. So I have to remove what? What I have to remove?
5.
5. Okay. So how I can remove the 5? I have to multiply with 5 or divide with 5?
Ma'am,
Yes, Anirudh?
try.
It is already in multiplication. If I'll divide with 5, this 5 will be removed. So I have to
Divide the 5.
dividing by 5 on left hand side or right hand side, on both sides. What?
Ma'am, on right hand side.
Anirudh, I told one thing in the beginning, no, when we are dividing and multiplying, that we have to apply on both the sides. Okay? Please sit attentively in the class. Sit attentively. I'm asking you same thing which I've explained. Please mute yourself. Okay, now it will be 5x upon 5. It is equals to minus 25 upon 5. 5 and 5 will get cancelled. X is equals to 5 ones are and 5 fives are. That is minus 5. So I'm having the value of x, that is minus 5. Now I have to check my equation. Okay, so for checking part, write down the term as it is. 5x plus 10 is equals to minus 15. Okay, write down the value of x. 5 multiplied by minus 5 plus 10 is equals to minus 15. 5 fives are 25 and minus sign as it is. Plus 10 is equals to minus 15. Minus 25 plus 10, that is minus 15, is equals to minus 15. So left hand side is equals to right hand side. Okay, and hence we have verified the question. Any doubt in this question? Anyone? Avni, Ekampreet, Tanish? Any doubt? Abhijot? Garv? Okay. Kritika, 7th Blossom. Okay, yeah, and we have verified the question. Siddharth, in the checking part, you have to write down the question as it is. Okay, as it is. Then you have to put the value of x that you have taken out. Okay, now 5 multiplied by minus 5, that is minus 25, plus 10 as it is equals to as it is minus 15 as it is. Okay, minus 25 plus 10. 25 minus 10, 15, and sign will be of bigger value, minus. And right hand side we are already having minus 15, so both are equal and hence it is verified. It's clear to everyone? Just wait, Tanisha, let me read your query. Just wait. Fine, Siddharth. Yes, Tanisha, you can use. Tanisha is saying, ma'am, rather than putting the bracket, can I write the multiply sign? Obviously. Because what is the meaning of bracket? That is in the multiplication. Okay? Okay, just wait. Let me start the other question. Okay? Now, mark the question. Suppose I'm going to start question third part. In third part, first of all, let me clear the concept, then I'll give you some questions in the class. In
Sorry,
question,
ma'am, those students I have given chance, still their videos are off from last 5 minutes. Then they will say, ma'am, tell the time when my video was off. They are
See.
asking this type of questions.
see, from 5 minutes has passed and I have given the instruction that please switch on the video. Except one student, okay, that is Natik Jain. Rest all the students whose videos are still off, ma'am, remove one by one.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, remove one by one, all of them. I don't want these students in my grade who can't listen the instruction of a teacher. Whatever doubts you are taking to me, whatever doubts, I'm taking one by one, all the queries. We are discussing everything in the class. But if teacher is giving some instruction, please take it seriously. Question 4th, third part. Third part is 3m 21. Very good. Very, very easy. I can't apply any transposition method here. Okay. I'm going to unmute. Just wait. Aditya. Please unmute yourself. Aditya.
Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning. Aditya, please tell me. Here, can I apply transposition method?
No, ma'am.
Why?
Ma'am, because there is no constant value.
On the left hand side. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, don't say that there is no constant value in the question. It is there on the right hand side, but not on the left hand side. Okay. Now I can apply by means which method I have to apply here.
Ma'am, we have to divide 3 on both sides.
Very good. Dividing by 3 on both sides. Very good. Now please tell me, if I divide this complete question by 3, what I can write on the left hand side.
Ma'am, M.
Okay, just wait. Tell me what is left.
M.
3 ones or 3's cancel. M is left. What is left here?
Ma'am, here,
Yes, very simple.
ma'am, 7.
Yes, 3 ones are 3 and 3 sevens are 21. That is 7. So M value is 7. Okay? Very good. Please mute yourself quickly. Now everyone look here. Only one step I have to apply in this question. Okay, only one step. Okay, after that you have to check your question. 3M is equals to 21. You have to put the value of M here. 3 multiplied by 7 is equals to 21. 3 sevens are 21 is equals to 21. Okay, so left hand side is equals to right hand side. Okay, and hence it is verified. And hence your answer M, that is absolutely correct. Any doubt is there? Ishan, 7th Florence. How you are sitting in a class? Do you know the rules? What? Yes, ma'am. I'm going to start with the next part. Okay, that is question 4th part. Now you have to tell me, everyone please tell me, what will be the answer if I divide with 0. Okay, I told you in the very beginning I told you that if you have to divide any value by 0, what will be the answer? Question is 5 pi is equals to 0. Okay, here again I can't go with the transposition method. I can only divide both the terms with 5. Okay, so by dividing both the terms, dividing by 5 on both sides, I get 5 pi by 5 is equals to 0 by 5. Okay, 5 and 5 will get cancelled. On 1, it is 5 is left. Now please tell me, 0 divided by 5 is what? I told you earlier. 0 divided by 5 is what? Quickly tell me. Yes, Ayan Khokar, 7th Florence. Give me the answer quickly. Very good. 0 divided by 5 is always 0. When 0 in the numerator, answer will be 0. When 0 will be in the denominator, answer will be not defined. Answer will be not defined. Okay, we have discussed these things. So y value is 0. Now you have to check your question. Okay, write down the question. 5 pi is equals to 0. Put the value of pi, that is 0 is equals to 0. 5 into 0, 0 is equal to 0. That means left hand side is equals to right hand side. And hence you have verified your question. Okay, this question was very easy. Okay, now I'm going to start with the next question and I'm going to unmute some students in the class. Right? So be active in the class. This question was very easy. Only one method you have to apply. Now read out the 5th part quickly. Read out the 5th part quickly. is 4x plus 3 is equals to 7x minus 3. Right? Okay. Now please think. First of all, think which method we can apply. Quickly, quickly. Harshit Lathar, 7th Florence. I'm going to ask. Okay? So be attentive in the class. I'm going to ask. Which method we can apply in the beginning? In the beginning. Okay? Gurveer Kaur. Gurveer Kaur.
Good morning, ma'am.
Very good. Good morning. Gurveer, 7th Florence. No? Okay. Gurveer, please tell me. I can apply in the beginning which step I have to apply.
Ma'am, I think transposing.
Very good, because we are having constant value. Just look at the question. If any constant value is present on the left hand side, you always have to go with the transposing method. Okay, transposition. Transposing which value?
4.
4 is the transposing. You have to transpose always constant value, no?
Yes, ma'am.
So which is the constant? This is the variable. This is the constant.
3.
So transposing 3 on right hand side. Okay, just wait. 4x is equals to 7x. This is minus 3 and this will go that side. It will become what?
Plus 3.
Plus 3 will,
Minus 3.
yes, plus 3 will go
Minus
to right hand side. It will become minus 3. So 4x is equals to 7x what?
0.
Minus 3 minus 3.
0.
No. Minus 3 minus 3. When the signs are same, okay, then what you have to do? 3 and 3. 3 is equals to 6. Sign will be negative. Sign will be
Negative.
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 Okay. Okay. Now, please mute yourself, Gurveer. No worries. If I am asking anyone, please unmute yourself. Don't feel hesitate. That might be my answer will be wrong. Doesn't matter. We are discussing in the class that how you can implement the formulas or steps in the question. Shaurya Sehgal, you don't have any section? Can't you mention any section? Royce Gulia. Now I'm going to unmute you. Just please tell me, Royce, after this I have to apply which method? Okay, just wait. Royce, unmute yourself. Quickly, Royce, unmute yourself. A message has gone. And rest other students, quickly think about which method we can apply. Quickly. Meenakshi ma'am, remove those students whose videos are off.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Royce. Good morning. Royce, please tell me. Now we are having variables on both sides. Okay. What are those variables? What are those variables? We are
Ma'am, my book is fallen down.
no worries. You look here on the board. Look here on the board. I'm having on the left hand side a variable value. What is that?
Ma'am, it is 4x.
Okay. And on right hand side I'm having a variable value. What is that?
Ma'am, 7x.
7x. Okay. So what you have to do? Your question is always in this way. Always variables are there on the left hand side and constant always present on the right hand side. So you have to shift what value from right hand side to left hand side?
Ma'am,
there are two variables value now on the left hand side and on right hand side. Okay, so you have to transpose variable value now. You have transpose variable value. Okay, from right hand side to left hand side. What is that variable? Which value you will transpose?
Ma'am, that's 7.
7x. So you have to write here that you have to transposing 7x. It is on the right hand side. You have to transpose on which side?
Ma'am, on the left hand side.
On left hand
4x
side. Okay, very good. Now I'm going to transpose. 4x is here. When 7x will go that side, it will become what?
What, ma'am?
When 7x will go to left hand side, okay, it will become plus 7x or minus 7x.
Ma'am, minus 7x.
Very good. Minus 7x is equals to minus 6. 4x minus 7. 4 minus 7. Subtract it quickly.
Ma'am, minus 3.
Very good. Minus 3x is equals to minus 6. Now can I cancel minus and minus?
Ma'am, yes.
Okay. Okay. Now please mute yourself. Mute yourself. Very good, Royce. Urvashi. Urvashi. Just wait. Urvashi, 7th Florence. Yeah, Urvashi, please unmute yourself quickly. Now we have to apply last method. We have to apply here last method, last step. What is that step? Please unmute yourself quickly.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Urvashi, please tell me. Here 3x is left, here 6 is left. Here I want only x. So I have to divide or multiply quickly.
Ma'am, divide.
Very good. Dividing by what? Dividing by what?
3.
No. Here on the left hand side I am having 3x. Okay. If I have to remove 3, so I have to divide with what? I have divided with only 3. Dividing by 3 on both sides. No worries. Mute yourself. Everyone, are you getting the question? Okay. So you have to divide. Dividing by 3 on both sides. It will be 3x upon 3. It is equals to 6 upon 3. Okay. 3 and 3 will get cancelled. X is equals to 3 ones are 3 twos are. So x value is equals to 2. Okay, x value is equals to. So in this question we have applied 3 methods. First of all, you have to transpose the constant value. Okay, without step. Suppose, forget the steps. Whenever you are solving the question, you solve in this way always. You are shifting the constant to the right hand side and you are shifting the variables on the left hand side. Always you are solving in this way. So same steps I have done. Okay, so I have shifted the constant value here by transposing method. Then I shifted the variable value on the left hand side with the transposing method. After that 3x is equal to 6 is left. Then I have applied the division method. Dividing by 3 on both the sides. Okay, and you will get your answer x is equals to 2. Now you can check your question. You can check your question, that is 4x plus 3 is equal to 7x minus 3. Put the value of x on both sides. Okay, x value is 2. 4 into 2 plus 3 is equal to 7 into 2 minus 3. 4 2s are 8 plus 3 is equal to 7 2s are 14 minus 3. 8 plus 3 11. 14 minus 3 11. Both are equal. Okay. Deepak. Okay. Now left hand side is equals to right hand side and hence you have verified your question. Any doubt is there? Any doubt is left? Deepak Chauhan. Now quickly mark the question for the homework. Quickly, I am giving you question for the homework. Okay, question 6. Sixth part. Quickly. Seventh part, and one more part I'm giving to you, that is 10th part. Okay, rest of the parts we'll discuss by tomorrow in the class. These 3 parts only you have to do at home today. Okay, very easy. Just see in the question, okay, that which methods we can apply, mention it properly, and then check your answer by putting the value in your question. Left hand side should be equal to right hand side. If they are equal, it means your answer is correct. You have done the question absolutely correct. Okay? So do your work properly. Rest of the question we'll discuss by tomorrow in the class. Okay, bye-bye and take care all of you.